Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. We're in my car. I'm running a lot of errands today, as you can tell by the back of my car. Really quickly, I just ate a quick breakfast and I have a small amount of time to get my errands done today, but I want to have my makeup on because I do have an appointment later. I'm trying to do everything at once. So I do want to thank the makers of Ziploc brand for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited to bring it to you guys, and I've been working with them for a couple months now, and all for their new Ziploc brand accessory bags that I am obsessed with. So I'm going to show you really quickly what I keep in mind. Right now, you guys, I'm carrying a ginormous bag, and it's because I'm just on the go. I have Mason. I mean, I'm going back and forth from here to a different part of town. It's like an hour away, so I usually carry everything with me. I carry my iPad, and there's so much going on. So in my big bag, I can never find all of my stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what I keep in my Ziploc accessory bags. I mean, I have, how many do I have in here? This is seriously how many I have in here. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different bags in my purse. This one is the skinny, and it is so cute. These are really great quality, by the way. They are really nice and thick. I don't know if you can tell, but this one is beat up. Like, I tossed this between purses. Can you tell? I don't think you can tell, but it's definitely been worn in, and it has not broken or anything like that. Really quick, I'll tell you though. This one is the skinny, so there's hair all over this. There's a few different styles. So this one's the skinny, and in this one I keep like my tampons, pads, and a pencil sharpener. Like a makeup pencil sharpener, which is really random to have with my pads and stuff, but that's okay. Oh, and I have a band-aid in here too. I like this because you can't like really see what's in it. I've also used this in one of my clear bags for a football game, because that way, I mean, I'm not embarrassed about feminine products, but like I don't necessarily want my tampons showing to the world. So I do like that these are colored and you can't really see through, but you know what's in them, you know? That one has that, and then I have 3 of the bad boys in here, the big bad boys. First of all, this one obviously has makeup in it because it has lips on it, and I love all the designs of these. This one actually matches me today, so I love that. That wasn't planned, but I love that. Yeah, these do expand out, so when you get them, they're kind of thinner like this. Sorry about that. So these big ones are really nice because they can either be super slim like this, or if you pack a lot of stuff in it, they do expand out. Can you tell the difference? Let me get this one that doesn't have too much stuff in it. So they do expand out at the bottom, which is really nice. So I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys today in the car, show you what I'm using. It's gonna be quick, and this way you can see like what I keep in here and how it all fits. So this one has makeup. This one has a little bit of makeup as well. I have dry shampoo in here, and I normally keep my hairbrush in here, but I think I took it out because we went out of town this weekend. So I usually keep a hairbrush in here as well. I have to have all these items, especially dry shampoo. Oh, and I have 2 brushes in here as well. And then this one has like all of my Apple accessories. I have my AirPods, I have earbuds, charger, things like that. Like, I don't have a ton of stuff, but I need all of this to like be in one area so I can grab it really quickly when I need it. And I'll show you what all is in here. So I actually have a ton of stuff in here, and we're gonna try something new today whenever I do my makeup, because I bought this is new. I bought it yesterday and I want to try it. But I'm gonna show you my easy on the go makeup, and this is like requiring pretty much no tools. So I only have 3 brushes with me, and that's what we're gonna do this look with. And we're probably not gonna use all the brushes, maybe 2 of them if that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these bags, they're adorable. There's a ton of different patterns. They come in different packs as well, so you get multiple different designs. And if you're interested, they are exclusive to Walmart. So if you want, you can check out the link down below and get you some. I love these. They're so nice, really thick quality, and like I can tell these are gonna last a long time because I have put this bag specifically through the ringer. Like, I've used these for months. So definitely check them out. They're super cute and a fun way to spice up your bag without spending like a ton of money organizing your bag, because organization is key. Like, we all need it. The first thing I'm gonna do is take a lip balm and get my chapped lips. Oh my god, I didn't even realize how chapped they were. That is so embarrassing. This is gonna be a super easy like sick makeup look, because not like a sick makeup look, but like I'm sick, because I don't want to do too much. I just have a couple different options in here I'm going to show you, because I did do an on the go makeup look in one of my most recent videos, but I do have these IT Cosmetics mini CC creams in here. So I keep that in here, as well as my Makeup Forever powder foundation. Obsessed with this, you guys. And then I have my concealers. So really it just depends on what I'm feeling. Do I have the tools for this? Sometimes I'll use my hands, but then I need like a makeup wipe or something. So I don't use these constantly. I normally just gravitate to this because it's easy and the sponge is inside, so I don't need like a ton of stuff. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of primer. So I have my TATCHA Silk Canvas Primer. I also just got, this is brand new by the way. I had to get another one because I have ran out of two actually. Two of these small ones. So I'm just focusing this in my pores really quickly and around my nose because obviously I'm blowing my nose a lot. My nose is running because I'm not feeling well. So I just want my makeup to really last right in there. And eyelash extensions are like a lifesaver as well. If you're curious. Oh no! No! Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, this is probably so dirty. No! It's brand new! Oh my god. No, not today, not today. Okay, note to self, never do primer in the car ever again. Well, I'll just have to get that when I'm done because I can't get it right now. So next up, I'm going to use this mirror right here so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm going to use my Givenchy Tint Couture Eyewear Concealer. I love this one because it looks like skin, but it covers really well. I'm literally putting that right in here, and I'm going to blend that out with my finger. Actually, let me take a couple right here because my nose is really red right now, which really helps kind of, you know, bring some life back. I am going to take some over my cheeks just a little bit because I do have some excess product. So minimum tools. This is a great on-the-go makeup look for moms. These two, I have these everywhere, I swear, but they're in my diaper bag as well because sometimes I just take my diaper bag with me when I'm out and about because it's a lot of work to have your purse and a diaper bag. I mean, sometimes I do, like I'll keep like a little fanny pack situation with me if I really need some items in my purse, but for the most part, I normally just seriously put my wallet, my phone, my keys in my diaper bag, and then I'll toss this in my diaper bag and I'm done. Like, I don't need a lot of stuff. Now I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. I need to wash this. This is in Y375, and I'm going to apply this all over. This will help my face match my body. And we're just going to, I know that looks like really intense, but it'll be better, I promise. So I'm just going to apply this all over. I am using the black side because it is better coverage. And it looks a little crazy on me. Like if I had my face tan right now, which I forgot to do that last night because I ran out of time. If my face was tan right now, it wouldn't look so harsh, but this is this is a lot darker than my actual skin because my body is so tan. I'm gonna put my hair back for just like 2 seconds so I can get my forehead. Oh, I have a new brow product I brought with me too. If you watch one of my newest videos, you've seen it, but it is so good. But it's like perfect for times like this when you really don't have that much time to get your face together, but you want a little something. Best part about this product, you can build it up and it never looks cakey. Foundation, done. Now, I'm gonna add just a little bit of bronzer. So I have this Hourglass bronzer here. This is the Ambient Radiant Bronze Light. I'm gonna take this little Too Faced brush, which is a travel brush, and just add a little bit to my cheeks just so I can have a little bit of definition, a little bit of bronze. I normally use bronzer as like blush and everything too, just so I can knock two things out. And this is great too because it's radiant, so you don't technically need a highlighter, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a eyeshadow brush and just throw some of this bronzer into the crease really quickly, and also like the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to take, oh, I meant to use this, the Dermablend Quick Fix. Well, I'm gonna try this next time, I promise. I'm going to quickly run a spoolie through my lashes. I'm gonna take a little bit of this BECCA highlighter. This is in Opal. Just hit tops of my cheeks a little bit just to add a little bit of glow because I don't like looking super flat. And then we're gonna use brow product. So that one for me is a Revolution Brow Gel. This is a highbrow in Ash Brown. I'm gonna run this through very quickly. This is great though. You can get pretty much your whole brow done, minus like a little bit of the inner part, but I'm okay with that. Like as long as there's a little bit of my brow on. Now I have got to put lip product on, so I'm gonna wipe off my lip balm and apply lips. So I have this new lip liner from Maybelline and it's in the shade Magnetic Mauve. Perfect, that's pretty. This look seriously took me like 5 minutes. Then lip product, I am going to take, I have a few different options in here because I do have like so much room. So I have an Hourglass lip gloss. I have this Anastasia lipstick, a MAC liquid lipstick. I have my lip liner, which I normally use as lipstick. I'm going to use the So Hollywood, wait, is that? No, this is Petal from Anastasia. This is her matte lipstick. Pretty, that's what it looks like. Do one quick dusting. And the best part about this is I could touch up my nose throughout the day, like if I'm blowing my nose or something. That is literally it for the car. I really wanted to use that dang Dermablend thing. I totally forgot. I don't have any makeup wipes, so I can't like take it off and redo it. But like I said, if you have wipes or can wash your hands, I would recommend the CC creams too to bring along with you. These little travel size ones are really great. I keep two. I have the regular one and then I have the oil-free matte. Sometimes this can be too matte, so I put a little bit of that in. Everything fits in my bag. So if I ever have a chance to like breathe while I'm running errands, I normally just put on a quick face just so I look a little bit more put together. So this is a completed makeup look. I'm still using one of my favorite foundations because honestly it's hard for me to go without it, especially when I'm on the go because it's just compact and the tool is in there, you know, with my sponge, and everything else is super easy. I wish I would have used that dang Dermablend thing though. I'm gonna be thinking about that now, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!